DMG MORI 5-axis simultaneous machining in Easter Bunny. Absolutely incredible. This video comes from DMG MORI's official demonstration. Total machining time, 19 hours. With 7 tool changes. The workpiece material is 7075 aluminum alloy. The machine used is DMG MORI DMC 65 Monoblock, 2nd generation 5-axis machining center. Let's enjoy the machining process. The square billet is clamped on the 5-axis rotary table using a 0-point locating fixture. The table tilts to angle. First, a T32 high-speed end mill, fixed-axis roughing of the outer profile. Axial depth of cut, 1.5 mm. Radial depth of cut, 25 mm. Spindle speed, 12,000 revolutions per minute. Feed rate, 6,000 mm per minute. This roughing uses a 3+2 fixed-axis machining strategy. By locking the spindle at a specific angle, the machine performs heavy cutting in 3-axis mode. Compared to full 5-axis simultaneous, it offers greater structural rigidity, effectively resisting the massive cutting forces generated when machining 7075 aluminum. This allows larger radial depth of cut for rapid material removal, while avoiding vibration from long tool overhang. Next, a 16 mm end mill. 5-axis simultaneous semi-finishing of the bunny contour. Axial depth of cut, 16 mm. Radial depth of cut, 1 mm. Spindle speed, 14,000 revolutions per minute. Feed rate, 3,500 mm per minute. These are typical trochoidal milling parameters with small stepover, fully leveraging the tool's peripheral cutting capability, while maximizing metal removal rate, keeping radial cutting forces to a minimum. This deep, narrow, fast approach not only avoids prolonged tool-to-workpiece contact, which causes heat buildup, but also significantly reduces cutting resistance, greatly extending tool life. A 25 mm bullnose end mill. Light finishing pass. Axial depth of cut, 0.5 mm. Spindle speed, 15,000 revolutions per minute. Feed rate, 7,200 mm per minute. 5-axis simultaneous machining of the bunny ears. The 25